Can you hear what I'm hearing? That's what we hear every morning off our balcony here in Waikiki. There's a big tropical tree down there. I think it's a banyan tree. And it's just full of Mynah birds. So they start up at about 5:30 in the morning. Really nice. It's a parking lot below us. It's in between these hotels. You can see people flying around down there. Still dark out. You gotta remember we're on Hawaiian time here, so the time here is 2 hours behind Pacific time. So it's 6 a.m. here right now, around 6 a.m., and it's 8 a.m. Pacific time. Very humid out here. It rained last night. It rained heavily. Yeah, there's Waikiki, folks. 6 a.m. in the morning. Actually, it's probably later than 6 a.m. Time is it? 6:23 a.m. Garbage trucks. Always stuff going on here in Waikiki. And that's why I come here. Because I live on a quiet island. So I need 3 weeks of pandemonium. It's so warm out here. You can go at any time of the day or night and you just never feel cold. Never even a chill in the air. It's beautiful. Watched the fireworks last night too, along Waikiki Beach in front of the Hilton. It was awesome.